Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add Stripe to your Shopify store in just 5 simple steps so you can start accepting payments smoothly and securely. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you already have both a Shopify account and a Stripe account. If you don't, go ahead and create them now. Once you've got both accounts ready and Stripe is supported in your country, log into your Shopify dashboard. Now, head down to the bottom left corner and click on Settings. This will open a new page with several options. Make sure you have admin access and your Shopify plan is active. You'll need both to continue. Next, click on the Payments tab in the left menu. This is where you'll set up or change your payment methods. If the payment section is grayed out, that means you're either on a free trial or don't have permission to modify payment settings. In that case, reach out to the account owner or Shopify support to get it fixed. Once you're in the Payments module, look for the section called Additional Payment Methods and click Add Payment Method. A search field will appear. Type Stripe into it. If Stripe is available in your region, it should show up right away. Select it from the list. Now, Shopify will ask you to connect to your Stripe account. Click Connect or Activate, then log in using your Stripe credentials. This will link your account securely. Once done, Shopify will confirm that the connection was successful. If you get a message saying no results found, don't worry. That usually means Shopify Payments is available in your country, and Shopify automatically uses Stripe's technology behind the scenes. In that case, you can still process payments just like you would through Stripe. Finally, let's test your integration. Go to your store's checkout page and make a test payment using Stripe's test card numbers. You can find those in your Stripe dashboard under Developers, API Keys, and Test Data. Once the test payment goes through, you're good to go. Your Shopify store is now ready to accept Stripe payments from real customers. And that's it. You've just connected Stripe to Shopify in a few quick steps. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tech tutorials and business setup guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.